Okay, here's the update on the dump truck. And there she is. But as you can see, this guy is slammed with so much work. I mean, just got stuff stacked all over the place that he's working on. But here's the official story. The truck's basically ready. There's nothing else to do really on the engine except button up the air cleaner. Button up the air cleaner. That's it. We got all whatever needs to be fixed in here fixed. I got to put another water bottle on it other than that. But engine wise, it runs, it starts, it goes, it stops. It does whatever it needs to do. It'll pass state inspection. What we're waiting on here is we have some plate steel coming in. And the plate steel is for this. You can see the rust. And see how it bows. It's all pretty much shot in here. But this is the exterior layer of the steel. As you can see, it's gone, you know, and it's just peeling all off, see? That's where the problem is. So you're gonna put a plate steel across here and weld it across here. And then on the inside, we're gonna sandwich two plates across there too. Where that middle rib is, we're gonna put one above it, one below it. Okay? And then this is going in for sandblasting, this dump bed. So really, that's what we're waiting on, is just welding. Everything else is just clean it up, do some body work, you know, just normal stuff. Cab needs to be painted and cleaned up. Obviously, I got to put a new seat cover on this and just go through all the little minor details as far as just getting it ready to go. But other than that, like I said, mechanically it's ready. All the services have been done, transmission, rear end. Of course, got to still deal with this one outer tire. Still got to deal with that outer tire right there. But other than that, even Victor said that the truck's in, actually, even though it looks a little rough, he says mechanically it's in pretty good shape all in all. The frame is good. There's no more leaks. So yeah, everything's fine. I mean, it's just a matter of, like I said, I gotta get to this welding part of it. And he's got so many, you know, customers that have trucks that are, you know, that need to be put back on the road because they're, you know, they're trying to make a living with their trucks, where I'm not, which is fine. I mean, you know, I gave him, you know, I gave him the space to, you know, I don't want to crowd this guy and then, you know, he catch an attitude or anything like that. That would be terrible. I just rather just let him get to it when he gets to it. I don't need it. I mean, I know where it is. It's right down the road from my house, so it's not like it's a problem. You know what I'm saying? But there she is, boys and girls, the 77 F-800. It runs. I mean, there ain't no problems. Hydraulics work. The dump bed goes up and down, no problem. And one day I'll be able to clean it up, put some armor all on those tires and make it nice and shiny and black, and then paint the back, paint this cab white again, and just clean it up and let it do its work, hauling dirt and hauling rock. That's all it's going to be for, is hauling dirt and hauling rock. But I like it. Just another old toy to play with. All right. Talk to you guys later.